The overall theme of EDF this year is exploiting data integration. Where do you see the highest potential for business cases and societal impacts regarding innovation around data integration?
So your theme on data is important because data is the oil of the future, and only integration really makes magic happen. You have a lot of data at the edge, so the intelligence we find more and more at the sensors at the edge. And combining this data with information you get from a business system, so from an ERP, from a digital core, and contextual data, if you think of agriculture, farming, for example, weather data or other external data, to bring it all together, integrate this data, analyze it, identify the patterns, and then also trigger actions. And you ask about examples. Changing work orders because of data which is integrated and analyzed, changing maintenance schedules, changing or creating campaigns. So I think you impact directly your business, and you will also identify new business model and not only improving your current business.
This year is the 4th edition of European Data Forum. How do you like EDF 2015? And why do you think the forum is important for the European data economy?
I think Europe is a leader in data privacy and how we deal with the data. And as we discussed in the keynote, we need to make this a competitive advantage and not prevent some of our innovation and really moving forward as leader. And I believe this is easily possible. And forums like yours help here, because standards, everybody talks about standards, everybody wants standards, but they want to keep their own protocols, their own format, and so on. And there, if we are a forum like this, the mindset of that we need standardization and helping it with adoption across different processes, across different company scenarios, this is absolutely helpful in what we need. In parallel, we also work with some committees like the IIC or IEC, and I think if we have this global and European force and bring it together, we will make data integration happen.
And the last question.
Let's for 1 second, because
Yeah, sure. Big data and smart data are the most popular data trends these days. Where do you see the biggest challenges regarding these trends for Europe, and where is Europe already leading in these areas?
I think especially smart data and intelligence at the edge will get more and more. And the amount of data, we learn 90% of all data was generated the last 2 years, so it will explode over the time. And what we see is what is important is that we have the right way of securing the data transfer, ensuring data privacy, data transmission, and also data storage in a cost-efficient way. Where I think from SAP, our company, we are offering several solutions, and we love to work with the committees IIC, IEC, as well as with you with EDF, to really drive here standards and help that the European standards become the global standards. And I think we are on a great way to this. We have a foundation. We just have to be careful. Sometimes we also are good in having concerns around data and data privacy, so that we balance this in a fantastic way, and we really then drive the global standards out of Europe.